There's 3 Webkinz in this thing right here, and y'all probably never done this in your whole entire life. Webkinz life. Okay, first you gotta shut your bedroom door. Okay, and then, well, right now there's 3 in this basket. Maggie, Maddie, and Molly. No, all M's. Didn't notice that. Okay, there's all my Webkinz right there. Watching. Okay, now they're all gonna go rolling like a dice. Okay, and oh, no. Now you can like play with them like this, so feel weird for them. See? Here's the handles. You can do this only if you have like a lot of these things. you can use 2 of these so it'll work properly. I just wanted to show you it. That's it. Bye.